Welcome back. This is my finished 4570 project. The base of this project is a Marlin GSBL in 4570. I was told that they were no longer making this for the public. This has got a hostile weather finish on it for hunting in all weather conditions, and I topped it with a Vortex Crossfire. Okay, and it has a illuminated dot in the reticle. The guys, or the guy at Levergun Leather Works, did the leather for me. Put my last name on the sling here. Did an excellent job. Cartridge holders. And on the back side, he put my crest, which I have tattooed on my arm. But I'm looking to take a bore with this. I call this my big bore, B-O-R-E, bore gun, B-O-A-R. So we'll be using this for wild hogs and bear. Look forward to sending you some photos from the field.